Okay, parametrics. Page 3, example 1. It says sketch the parametric equation and include direction. Find the furthest left point where x is a min of x equals t squared plus 2t and y equals t squared minus t plus 2t plus 3, where negative t is less than or equal to t is less than or equal to 3. Okay, first thing I'm going to do, it tells me to sketch it. So I'm going to make me a t, x, y chart. And I just typically use negative 2, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Why would I use that? Because it tells me to go from negative 2 to 3. And it's just the easiest way. If I plug these values in, I'm going to get 0, 11, negative 1, 6, 0, 3, 3, 2, 8, 3, 15, and 6. And if you feel like you need to see that, just negative 2 squared plus 2 times negative 2, and you get 0. Negative 2 squared minus 2 times negative 2 plus 3, and you get 11, etc., etc. I can't graph all of these because they are off my graph. What am I plotting? I'm plotting these values. Okay. 0, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, somewhere up here. Negative 1, 6 will be here. 0, 3, 3, 2, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3. And I feel like it's safe to say that 15, 6 is too far out. So it's going to look like this. You need to always indicate direction on a parametric. And that's with the time. Wherever you started, your starting value of t is where you begin, and then you move through it. Okay, and now it tells me to find the furthest left, and I'm not sure should that be farthest? I don't know, I teach math. Find the furthest left point where x is a minimum. So I want to minimize x. Well, how do you minimize something? You use the derivative where it changes from a negative to positive. Well, the furthest left point would be where x is a min. So I need to find dx dt, and that's 2t plus 2. There's my derivative. I'm going to do a sine graph. Solve it for 0, so I'm going to get t equals minus 2 divided by 2, negative 1. Okay. Negative 1, 2t plus 2. I plug in negative 2, I'm going to get a negative. If I plug in 0, I'm going to get a positive. So it is a min. So find the furthest left point where x is a min. Well, it's where t is negative 1. So the actual point would be negative 1, 6. So the furthest left point is negative 1, 6 at t equals negative 1. And if you look at your graph, that matches. That's the furthest left point right there at negative 1, 6. The end.